Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August 4 to August 6 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo every time tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video, no? So, Libra, please subscribe din po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience at nagla-live din po tayo doon. No? Kung di nyo naman siya maabutan ng live, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Now, Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. And para po sa mga naghahanap po ng X-Files, no, ito po yung ating compilation of readings para sa mga exes. Nilipad ko po siya sa Facebook, no, kasi nakita ako ng nag-aaway, no, kasi let's avoid, no, yung mga ganon. Kasi yung iba gusto naman mag-move forward, no? Tapos pinapagalitan niyo iba, no, you deserve better, ganyan, 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 blah, blah. Eh, ano magagawa natin? So, inaantay niya yung ex, no? So, nagkasagutan just to avoid. So, para nasa isang bubble, yung mga nag-aantay sa ex, doon na lang sa Facebook, no? Facebook, that is Babaylan TV. Now, Libra, magsimula na tayo. So, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang sabi dito ni person, nahihirapan, sabi dito ni person A, no, si person A, so we will have person A and person B. Si person A is, kahit na nahihirapan ako ngayon, kahit na nasasaktan ako, no, I still hoping for our connection to at least mapunta tayo sa isang maayos, harmonious, no, na relationship. For a few numbers of you, medyo nasa rocky situation. Wala pa naman dun sa separation, yung iba naka-separate na. So this is, yung iba kasi in transition towards separation. So hanging by a thread, hoping na sana magkaroon ng miracle, no? At mabago itong course ng sinasabi nating takbo, no, ng relationship. For a few numbers of you baka nahihirapan, no, kasi din na magkaroon ng either legal separation, annulment, what have you, yung mga nasa ibang bansa, no. Kumbaga nakapag-commit na ako. And I am saving the relationship as much as I can, no. So, mahirap yung situation ngayon. Pero, nandito pa ako sa baka pwede pa. No, yung iba naman in separations, no, ang sabi dito, nahihirapan man ako ngayon. Baka pwede naman na mauntog ka, no, sabi ni person A. Mauntog ka at mapagtanto mo na we are actually meant to be together, no? With the Knight of Wands, Five of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, and the World card. For now, ang nakikita ko is parang decided kasi yung isa. Let's say, kung si person A itong nagwi-wish, itong si person B is sobrang decided na I want to move forward. So, may matigas ang puso dito, no? This could be you, the person A, or this could be you, the person B. You can switch off the energies. What I am reading here is the dynamic, no? So, parang ang sabi dito ni person A is parang hindi buo ang buong pagkatao ko lately kasi nasanay ako nandiyan ka, no? Wag mo naman akong ibaliwala ng ganito, no? I feel like para akong basura, no? Para akong walang yung taong walang halaga with the Four of Cups, no? Para kasi hindi siya talaga pinagpapapansin. Si person A gumagawa na ng way, no, na mai-save pero talagang or nag-e-effort, 'di ba, para masalba. Ayaw talaga na nung iba, ayaw na nung isa. Hindi ko sinasabing pinagsisiksikan, 'no, kasi nandito pa rin kasi yung sinasabi nating yung hope ba, hindi hindi ito yung move na desperate, yun puwede natin sabihing pinagsisiksikan. Pero kasi dito merong nakakita ko ng konting chance ng, kumbaga papundi yung ilaw, hindi pa naman pundido, papundi pa lang. With the Judgment and the Knight of Pentacles. I feel like, um, kasi yung Judgment dito is, kumbaga si person B naka-stick pa rin naman, no? Especially katabi niya yung Knight of Pentacles, it means stagnation. Although yun yung nakikita nito ni person A, na person B is actually moving, person B is um, heading towards to like singlehood pero hindi naman. Siguro sabihin nating may paninindak, no? Meron ding, kumbaga, si person B siguro sinasabi dito, no? The worst that person B can do is to hurt you para ikaw yung bumitaw, si person A, no? Parang kay person B, ayoko sa akin manggagaling na yung separation. So parang pinapagod kita para ikaw na yung sumuko. We can say that's a test, o we can say na intentional naman talaga. Pero kung kay person B naman manggagaling, hindi ko nakikita, no? Parang sindak lang ba? Yun yung nakikita ko. Although sobrang sakit. Um, with the Ten of Swords, the Seven of Wands, the Four of Swords, nagkapagudan ito, Six of Swords, and the Ten of Wands. I feel like things piled up, no, dito sa situation na to. They feel like instead na sana nakakatulong itong relationship, mas nafe-feel ko na parang it adds up to a burden. I know, sabi ni person B, na some of it are some of the burdens are actually created by me. Pero parang feeling ko hindi ka nakakatulong, parang mas lalong nakakadagdag. I don't wanna say na si person B is parang sinisisi dahil wala naman. Ang sinasabi niya lang is, I wanted to fix, no, itong nangyayari sa buhay ko. Siguro, no, kapag dumating yung time na okay na ako, baka maging okay tayo. Pero kasi habang nandiyan ka, parang dalawa tayong lumulubog. So si person A is saving the connection. Si person B, let's save our first. Let's save ourselves first. So may savings, merong pagsagip, 'di ba? Doon nagmi-mirror yung energy, pero kay person B, i-save muna natin yung isa't isa. I think that's, practical, no? Nagamit niya yung rational. Ito si person A, parang nagamit yung emotion, no, na kaya naman natin tong dalawa. Nagkapagudan. Actually, parang mas naunang napagod si person B with the Ten of Swords, the Hangman, and the Nine of Wands. So parang I'm actually losing hope on this, sabi ni person B. No, I'm actually losing hope that we can do this together. No, lalo na dito sa situation na nag-try mag live in together, baka nadala ng emotion, and then someone here sort of hindi ko pa talaga pala kaya pa, no, na either magkaroon ng kasama sa buhay, no, hindi ko ini-end yung relationship. I think we need some, sabihin natin yung time, no, in separation para at least maayos natin. I feel like kung pagmamahal lang naman yung pinag-uusapan, kung pwede lang nating, ipambayad ng tubig, ng kuryente, 'no, itong love, baka mayaman 'to, 'no, in material world, in 3D world, 'no. in this 3D materialistic world. Pero yun nga 'no, 'pag nakita mo sino ba kasi nag-imbento ng pera 'no, um, but either way nandiyan na 'yan. So, parang ang sinasabi lang nito ni Person B, siguro kaya natin 'to basta hold on 'no, magkaroon lang tayo ng faith na, someday soon kung tayo talaga 'no. Let's check here the emotion. It could be your person's emotion, it could be your emotion. Uh, I wish you were mine and don't pressure me. So I feel like yeah, so someone here is getting pressured, someone here is parang sinasabing hindi ko pa talaga kaya, tayo naman talaga. I wish you were mine. I feel like this is person's plead, no? Na huwag ka nang umalis, huwag na natin itong bitawan. Pero kasi magkaiba yung naging magkaiba yung pananaw, naging magkaiba yung take 'no, ni person A and person B dito sa sitwasyon lalo na sa mga nangyayari. Um, Financially, yes. Spiritually, probably, mentally 'no. So, this is your reading Libra 'no. So, tignan natin dito ang zodiac sign ni person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart 'no. I'm seeing Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, uh, Taurus, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn. Yep, so this is your reading. Libra, again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung gusto niyo naman pong sumali sa live, makita yung ibang readings, doon din po yan, no, Babaylan TV. Kung hindi niyo maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, sa description box po no, ng video na ito, meron po dong link ng aking website. No? Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po sa pinakababayang question forms, the name, the number, how much per question, no? The QR codes are there for your reference. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. Ayan. So tuloy pa rin yung manhunt ng ating fake accounts. So report those fake accounts, then screenshot, send it to the designated email for you to win a raffle for free reading. And I mean it, that's actually free of charge. No? And again, Libra, para po doon sa mga still cares for their exes, doon po sa Facebook tayo ha. So, iwasan natin ang mga away-away. So, this is your reading, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.